Hey guys, Mr. Lentz here. Just coming at you with another video for the checklist for week 10. We got four things to do this week. The first, we're going to start practicing we're going to start practicing for the end of course exam for Algebra 1. So we're going to be taking practice questions from old tests, kind of going over those and practicing them, how this is going to work. I think we're going to start off with 2 a week for now. I'm going to give you a Word document with the 2 questions in there. I want you guys to try and figure them out yourselves, and then you'll get points based on your work and submitting that. And then come the beginning of next week, I will make a video going over the questions, and we'll kind of see how that works out. And we'll do it like that until I think of something else, or yeah. So that's the first thing, Algebra 1 practice prep questions. The second thing we're going to work on this week is multiplying polynomials. This is going to get us ready for factoring and some more quadratic stuff. Yeah. And the third thing we have is we're going to practice the quadratic formula. So exciting! Woo! Quadratic formula. You'll learn more about it in the notes video that I have posted. But it is an important topic, so if you need help or you have any questions on it, please reach out, okay? And the last thing is an ALEX assignment based on the multiplying polynomials and the quadratic formula. That's all I got for this week. If you have any questions, please reach out, and hope you guys have a great week. I will talk to you later. Bye.